In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney to create a children's coloring book to publish and sell on Amazon KDP. We'll start simple. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney, then click the official Midjourney website in the results. This gets you to the place where you can generate clean, high-contrast illustrations that are perfect for coloring pages. Once you're in, craft a clear prompt that tells the tool exactly what you want. For this project, use Coloring Page for Toddlers, minimalistic, simple, lots of white space, clear lines, isolated on a white background. This wording keeps the art uncluttered and easy for small hands, with thick outlines, big shapes, and plenty of open space. The more precise your prompt, the more consistently printable your results will be. Submit your prompt and give it a moment to render. You'll see a set of options appear. Look for images with strong black outlines, minimal shading, and no gray textures. If something looks too busy, try a variation with fewer details, so the page is fun to color without becoming frustrating. Consistency is key. Aim for a cohesive style across all images. Happy with the results? Download the images to your computer. Save the highest resolution versions available, and keep your file names organized so you can sequence them later. This makes assembly fast and avoids mix-ups when you build your interior. Next, go to Canva to combine your pages into a printable interior. Create a new design at your book's trim size, such as US letter 8.5 by 11 inches or A4. Upload your images, place one per page, and center each design so it has generous margins and lots of white space around it. Make sure your images are pure black outlines on a white background so they print crisp and clean. When you're done arranging the pages, export as a high-quality PDF for print and choose black and white to keep printing costs low. Finally, head to Amazon KDP to sell your coloring book. Start a new paperback project, add your title and description, and select categories that fit children's activity or coloring books. Upload your interior PDF, choose black and white interior on white paper, and run the previewer to catch any cutoff lines or narrow margins. Set your pricing and territories, then submit for review. One last tip. Always check image licensing and content guidelines to ensure your book is eligible for publication, and keep your designs age-appropriate and simple. With these steps, you'll go from idea to a polished coloring book ready to list and sell on Amazon, all with the help of Midjourney and a quick layout in Canva.